Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Aura frame is displaying photos and videos but you're not hearing any sound, it can feel like something is missing from the experience, especially when videos are meant to include audio. Many users don't realize that sound settings on the Aura frame are controlled through the app and device settings rather than obvious on-screen options. Because of this, it can seem like the feature isn't working, when in reality it just needs to be enabled properly. The process is simple once you know exactly where to look and what to adjust. By setting it up correctly, you can enjoy both visuals and audio together without any issues. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to enable sound on your Aura frame quickly and correctly. Try these. Step 1. Open the Aura app on your phone and select your frame. Step 2. Go to the settings menu for that specific frame. Step 3. Find the sound or video playback settings option. Step 4. Turn on the sound or volume setting inside the app. Step 5. Make sure the uploaded videos include audio. Step 6. Play a video on the frame to confirm sound is working properly.